Okay, so for today we're going to be combining the Dorian mode with the blues scale. And for this example, we're going to be in the key of A in this position. Here is the Dorian mode. And now, in this same position, here is the A blues scale. Okay, so the excerpt from that solo that uses the Dorian mode is going to be coming from this octave of what I explained before. But we'll also use these two other notes from the third octave, making the combined sequence of notes being this. In this particular excerpt, the Dorian part of it is going to be this. Now, the blues scale sequence of notes is going to be from this octave of the scale that I've mentioned before. And now the blues scale excerpt of this solo would be this particular lick. So now, that whole excerpt from the solo put together sounds like this. Now up to speed, it's going to sound more like this.